chasing the easy life.
What's up, y'all? So I just received my birthday hair in the mail. I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be my birthday hair or birthday wig. My birthday is Friday. I'm super excited because I'm gonna be partying all weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Perfect Lace Wigs came through in the clutch. They sent me over, let me see what they sent me, because I forgot. Okay, they sent me over some Indian Remy hair. It's pre-plucked and the texture is deep wave. It's 22 inches, natural hair color. The density is 150%. And if y'all don't know what like the hair density mean, it just means how thick or thin the hair is gonna be. So 150%, I think it's like in the middle. And it's a 360 lace wig. And I do have a coupon code for you guys for $20 off. And that coupon code is JV. Okay, so here's the boxing and it is pretty. Really nice. So we have the wig here, some wig combs and an elastic band in there. We have this little pamphlet here, shows you how to care for your wig. So right here, it just shows you how to measure your head because you're going to need to know what size cap you need. And mine is between a small and a medium. Well, girl, if you got a big head, you're gonna need that large. So here's all the information on the wig here. So like I said, this is a deep wave, 22 inches, and she's a long one. She's a long one, guys. I think I'm gonna start co-washing my curly hair wigs before I wear them. When I see women co-washing their curly wigs before they wear them, it looks so much better than just, you know, putting a wig on your head and trying to style them, you know, just spraying it down with water or whatever. So yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna co-wash it. This is what the curl pattern looks like. Like I said, it is long, 22 inches, and it's very soft. All right, so let's go co-wash this wig. Okay, so as y'all can see, the curls are still popping. I'm just about to spray some of this leave-in conditioning spray. It has avocado oil and olive oil. It's made by Giovanni. So this just moisturizes the hair, will keep the hair moisturized. Give it a little bit of shine and all that good stuff. Just comb it through. I'm loving how the hairline is looking. It's not real thick up in there. Don't look like I'm gonna have to pluck anything. You see how it's nice and thin and natural looking up in there? That's what you want. You want a wig that's natural looking as possible. You don't want it real thick up in here. Realistically, people's hair is not real thick around the hairline. Look at that. I'm happy I don't have to do any plucking because I suck at plucking. I really do. I suck at plucking around the hairline. I can pluck the parting, which just don't need any plucking at all. But around that hairline, I need a little bit more practice. So as you can see, the parting is magnificent. All right, easy as that. I'm done styling her. She is wet. Well, not wet. She's damp just a little bit. I do really love the wet look on this particular texture. It is so pretty. If y'all can see how long it is. I'm loving the length too. What is this? What is this, 22 inches? So yeah, I'm really loving the length. It's nice and full. Like I told y'all, it's 150% density. It's not too full and it's not too thin. So y'all seen I co-washed her with this Aussie Deep conditioner. Rinsed her out, dried her off. What did I put in it? Oh, I sprayed this leave-in conditioner spray in it. And I also sprayed this Design Essentials Mist and Shine Dry Finishing Spray. It moisturizes and adds shine, even though the hair already felt moisturized and had a nice shine before I even co-washed it. I think this wig is perfect for the summertime, even though the summer is about to be over, but here in Florida, we still got summer. It's still hot. By this hair being so light and flowy, it's still perfect. I don't know if I told y'all, it's 2 wig clips on the side, 1 in the back, 1 right here if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if it's 1 right here or not. I never use it. And it's adjustable straps. Your basic wig construction. She's already drying. Like this side feels a lot drier than this. And you can tell how she's going to, you know, look once she's dry. Beautiful. This is definitely going to be my birthday hair. Let me show y'all the back because it is a 360 lace. So you can pull this hair up when you're tired of it, you know, all on your neck. So this is what it looks like in the back. I mean, you know, you're gonna have to fix her and play around with her once you get your ponytail up. And yeah. I hope y'all can see that. I hope the camera's not out of focus. Once again, this wig is from Perfectlacewig Wigs. The description and the link to this wig will be down below. And also, don't forget to check out the coupon code I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.